Imagine this, you have an exam tomorrow. Now you haven't learned anything. You open ChatGPT, you simply upload the chapter, and what you have is amazing. You have the summary, you have the notes, you have the explanations, and you even have the answers to the questions right at the end of your chapters. Now it may seem amazing, but there is one problem. Have you learned anything? Just because AI did the work does not mean that you learned something. That is why exactly so many students are using AI the wrong way. They are using AI to complete their homeworks, write their answers, but that is not what AI is meant for. AI is meant to make you understand concepts so clearly that you don't have to do this. So today let's discuss how to study with AI instead of cheating yourself. AI is an amazing technological revolution. Either you can become dependent on it or you can use it to improve yourself further and further. The choice will always be yours. First, never ask AI for answers. Ask it for explanations. Ask it to explain you a very complicated topic in a very simple language as if you're a toddler. Most students will type, "Give me the answer." Now you will not do this. What you will type is, "Explain me this concept." Now this concept can be anything. It can be inflation, photosynthesis, or natural disasters such as tsunamis. What you will do is you will ask the AI to explain it to you as if you're a toddler or a fifth grader. Ask it to draw diagrams for you. Ask it to even make videos showing how it's possible. Your goal is not to finish the chapter. Your goal is to learn better and have a deep understanding of the chapter. Secondly, AI is your best companion for doubt solving because it is highly patient and will not judge you. Most students in schools have this problem that they do not ask their doubts. They think that their doubt is too silly, or they think that their classmates will make fun of them for their doubts. Even the teacher can ridicule them. Here is why AI is more helpful, because it does not judge you. It can be very patient. You can ask the same thing multiple times, 5 times, till the time you understand it thoroughly. AI will stand by your side. Because curiosity is not your weakness. It is in fact the foundation of the very learning. And nowadays you don't even need to type with AI. You can just talk to it using your microphones. Third, use AI as your personal mentor. When you're done with a chapter, ask AI to ask you questions. Probably develop quizzes for you. Ask it to test your understanding. Where can you apply this information that you have just learned? Ask it to generate images for better retention, because learning is remembering, and whatever you can recall the fastest is the best foundation you can have towards learning. Fourthly, explain concepts to AI yourself. Let it develop an understanding of what you have learned. Whenever you're done with a chapter, upload that chapter and tell the AI that you have learned so many things. What AI will do is it will read your data and tell you exactly what you have missed. It will also help you explain what you have incorrectly told to the AI. It will be your personal checker, examiner, as well as your friend. The moment you will struggle to explain something to AI, it will catch you yourself. You will know that you need to do more deep research in this topic. And this is where AI can help you as well. You don't need to go back to your books. Just ask AI, what have I missed and what do I do to correct this information? It will explain you each and everything. The moment you start understanding everything that you read, that is where learning has taken place. Fifthly, never use AI generated notes. You can use them for reference, but don't just copy paste them. When you tell AI to develop notes, it has learned something. But when you will make your own notes, the habit of writing will also inculcate in you, which is very important because examinations happen like that only. And when you are writing something, it helps you remember. So use the reference notes developed from AI, but don't use them as your answers. Write your own answers. But here comes the bonus tip. Never trust AI completely. It can also be wrong. I have personally corrected AI so many times because I was sure of my fact. And when I corrected AI, it told me that in fact I was correct and it had to rectify its answer. AI is powerful, but it is not perfect. At times it will be outdated because it's reading data that is limited towards its server. It might also be inaccurate at times. And the way it will sound will make you feel as if it's so confident that this information can't be wrong. And when this information becomes wrong when you're writing an exam, you will lose marks. If you're preparing for competitive exams, AI can be your friend, but you cannot trust it blindly. Critical thinking is more important than ever in the age of AI. And finally, one simple rule. If AI is thinking for you, you are not winning, in fact, you're losing. And if AI is helping you think better, then you know that you're using AI in the right manner. The purpose of education is not to collect answers. Rather, education, since the ancient times of Greeks, has always taught you to question. You observe something and you make a perception. You analyze it with your own thoughts and critical thinking. Only that will lead to a solution. AI can help you think better critically. AI is one of the most powerful learning tools ever created. It should work like a calculator for you. Although it will give you answers, but you need to use it wisely. A tool that enhances your abilities and not a tool that substitutes your abilities. The students who succeed in the era of AI will not be those students who use it the most often. The students who will succeed will be the ones who use it practically, who use it to question themselves, who use it as a friend and a reference, who use it to revise. You can use it to challenge yourself, but never allow it to replace you. Because in a world where everyone will have access to this technology, your greatest advantage will be to think independently. And that is something AI can never do for you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.